Hello everyone. From my declutter pile, I decided to give Pinky Rose Cosmetic 80's Baby another try. And this is what the palette looked like. The palette is so pretty, so pretty. And yet still, it's not performing. So I'm gonna do a swatch, and then that's the last of this palette. I'm going to declutter it. So I'm going to start with this row right here. They all have names and I'll tell the names. Going this way, the first row, and then the second row. So I'll do one row on this arm, one row on this arm so you can see. Oh, nah, I'll put both of them on the same arm. Now I need stuff to wipe my hands, so I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, this one is Care Bear. Pretty Lilac. It's just not, I wish they had done a better job. The colors are nice, it's just that this is powdery and it falls apart. It's too messy. If anybody have this palette, please let me know about it. Tell me in the comments, do you like it? Do you have fallouts? What is the deal with this palette? I like it, but it's not working. The second color is Virgo. The next one is The Baby. That is also like purple. Next one is 17. When we were growing up, we all couldn't wait until we were 18 to say we're gonna move out. So 17 was our magic number. We're like, yes, we can't wait till we're 18 because boy, we are going to move out. Now nobody moves out, honey. The next one is 1981. I need you to see my swatches. 1981, it's like a gold yellow. Next one is Yasa Base. I guess like Asa Base, Yasa Base. I hope I'm saying it right. This is the color yellow. Next color is the blue, which is Dreamer, which is what I have on, Dreamer. So this is the first row. The second row I'll put over here because I'm trying to put all on one arm so you can see what it looks like. The next one is Fure or Fute. Fure, F-U-E-R-T-E. Fute. Fute, I don't know. It's a black and I love it. Except Pinky Rose Cosmetics, please redo this palette and make it pigmented and less fallout. I would love to have it in a better formula. The next one is Dapper. I'm squinting because I don't have my glasses on. Alright, this one is creamy. This one is a creamy one. Orale. Next one is Orale. This is Orale. Right there. Next one is Amor. Amor. We should all know what Amor color is. It's red. Amor. Next one is Whiskey. The 80's Whiskey. You see what I mean? Whiskey is this one. Whiskey. Next one is Churro. Churro. Oh, this looks pretty. Churro looks very pretty. It's a gold. And then my last one is called Caliente, baby. No, it didn't say baby. Caliente. Caliente. Love the colors, but they don't work. They don't work the way they should. Pinky Rose, make another one. These are my swatches. And then I'm going to declutter this palette. I used it I used at least all the colors recently. This palette I love. The colors I love. But they're not pigmented. They don't work the way I want. This is it under the light. We are now going outside to see what it looks like. We're going outside to see what it looks like. We're going outside to see what the colors look like. And then the palette will be decluttered. Sad to see, but that's what have to happen. I don't want to hold on to something I cannot use. This is my arm. I hope you can see. I cannot see what I'm showing you. Hopefully you can see it. These are all the colors in the shade outside. And now these are all the colors in the sun outside. Hopefully you can see it. If you can, I did a good job. If you cannot see it, I did a good job. Now I'm stepping back inside. Okay. Let's see. Let me see if I can do this and end it that way. Oh, I can only see half of myself. Oh, okay. So, can we see this? I am signing off. Okay, let's see. Can I see myself? I am signing off with the back mirror. I am signing off with the back. I am signing off with the back camera. I have no clue if you can see me, but I just want you to know, stay fabulous and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bon après-midi, bonsoir. That's it. Bye.